Hey everyone, Alex from Ford Mustang Garage, just working on our 66 Mustang 289 small block again. So where we left off was adjusting the valves, and we've got all the valves adjusted to the way I like to adjust them. And one thing I like to do before I slap on an intake manifold and valve covers is to verify that each and every lifter is pumping oil and getting oil to the top of each and every rocker arm. So to do that, what I do is I take a 1/4 inch deep socket with a 1/4 inch drive on an extension, and you can actually fit that right over the top of your oil pump shaft. And now what I can do is hook it up to my drill, and I can manually prime the oil pump. Now the reason why I like to do this is for several reasons, but in this particular case, this engine has been sitting, vehicle has been sitting for 20 years. We did some major work pulling the cylinder heads off and having those rebuilt. It's got a new oil pump on it, and we are using the original cam and lifters. So we want to make sure that there's not a single one of these rocker arms that is not getting oil. And so after doing that, I found that there are several of these that are just completely dry. They are not pumping any kind of oil whatsoever. And you will be able to see oil coming out of the tops of these small little holes right here. So that's going to be the oil filled, and it'll fill the rocker arm up with oil like this and just kind of drip down the valve spring. Now some of these are pumping oil adequately enough, but some of them are not. So in lieu of that, we are gonna have to replace every single one of these lifters. We wouldn't do individuals. We would just replace every single one. It wouldn't make much sense to replace just individuals. So just to kind of give you a demonstration, drill's on. We're gonna spin counterclockwise because that's the way the oil pump would naturally turn with the engine running. So. And so I can't really run this engine very well if I'm not getting oil up to every single one of these. You can see cylinder 1 is pumping. Cylinder 2 is nothing. Just a quick tip that'll save you a lot of headache if you're going through this much work and you don't verify you're getting oil to the top of every single rocker arm. Do yourself a favor, verify you're getting oil up there. If you're not, there is some sort of problem. We are going to put new lifters in this and see how she does afterwards. Okay, thanks for watching.